Good morning, students. Welcome to the English language class. And today we'll learn chapter number 4, that is pronouns. Children, you have already read pronouns in your previous classes also. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. And they are examples like he, she, it, and they. Now let's begin the chapter with an exercise. A new family has come to live in Meg's society, and Yashna, a girl of 10, is introducing herself. Now she is introducing herself and she is saying something, and we have to fill in these blanks with the help of some pronoun words to complete the sentences that she spoke while she was introducing herself. Hi, I am Yashna. I have come from Chennai. My father's name is Venkatraman. He is a teacher. My mother's name is Rukmini. She works in a bank. We have moved here because my mother has been transferred to Bengaluru. It is very nice to meet you. Hope we will be good friends. We know that pronouns are used in place of nouns to avoid repetitions of the same nouns too many times. Now let's learn some more things about the pronouns. Pronouns are of three kinds: first person, second person, and third person. And what are the first person pronouns? First person pronouns refers to the speaker, as I am speaking. Examples are I, me, we, and us. In a sentence, we can write, I prefer to drink milkshake. So in this sentence, I is a first person. Now second person. Second person refers to the person or a persons being spoken to. Example, you is a second person. In a sentence, you should work hard. Third person refers to the person or a persons or things spoken of, where we speak about some third person. Example, he, she, it, and they. In a sentence, we speak like they went to the mall for a film. Now let's move to the next exercise, and that is complete this paragraph using the suitable pronouns. Rakhi is my best friend. Dash likes to eat chocolates and ice cream. Now, Rakhi is a noun. It's a name of a person, and we have to replace it with the pronoun, and that is she. She likes to eat chocolates and ice cream. Rakhi and I like swimming and playing basketball. I have younger brothers. My brother is very naughty. He likes to play silly pranks on me. The brothers often play together. Sometimes all of us play badminton together. How wonderful it is when the four of us are together. Here, now we have completed the paragraph with the suitable pronouns. Now let's read the pairs of sentences. In a first picture, just see some of the examples, some of the sentences are given, such as I was praised by the teacher. I as a pronoun. The teacher praised me. Me, talking about myself, is also a pronoun. They won the trophy, pointing towards the third person. The trophy was won by them. Now, notice how I and they have changed in the second sentences in each pair. The persons I, we, you, he, she, it, they can be used as the subject or the doer of the action. The pronouns me, us, you, him, her, it, them receive the action and can be used as part of the predicate. Now let's fill in these blanks with the help of suitable pronouns. They are coming over for tea. You can come along with us. You can come along with them. We are going for a walk. Would you like to join us? He is flying to Toronto next month. They told us to keep it a secret. They would like to give her a surprise. Tell them to keep the books in order. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise C. Here also, now here we have to complete Sanju's line using suitable pronoun. Let's see what Sanju is saying and complete the conversation or the dialogue said by the Sanju by using suitable pronouns. Mummy, my friends have organized a party for me. As I did well in my basketball match, it is such a great idea. We have been friends for so long. We have been friends for so long, and there's no jealousy among us. We always support each other. Now, move on to the next. Let's see. Now, again, here are some sentences, and let's read these sentences. The first one is, that house is theirs. The bag is mine. Now notice that the pronouns in color shows the possessions or the ownership. These are possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs are some possessive pronouns. We cannot have a noun after any possessive pronoun. For example, this is your house. Mine house is at the end of the road. This is a wrong sentence. It's a wrong formation of a sentence, as we have read that we cannot have a noun after any possessive pronoun. So let's see correct one. This is your house. Mine is at the end of the road. Now this one is the correct one. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise D. Complete the conversation using pronouns. Here's a conversation between a teacher and students. Now see what the conversation is about. Teacher saying, whose book is this? Asking a question to the student. Sid, who is a student, is replying, ma'am, it is his. Teacher, are you sure this book is his? Within question mark. Sid, yes ma'am, this book is his. And that book is hers. Again teacher says, all right, where is your book, Sarthak? Sarthak replies, ma'am, the book is on the table is mine. Now let's rewrite the sentences correctly. The first one is, the dogs are barking loudly. He is disturbing I. It's written in incorrect way. Let's do the correction and write again. And the correct sentence is, the dogs are barking loudly. It is disturbing me. Second one is, my cousins are in town. I will visit him. So when we are talking about cousins, it means more than one. So we should not use him for cousins. What will be the right pronoun? My cousins are in town. I will visit them. We should use plural pronouns for them. She sat near the window as that seat was his. And the correct one is, she sat near the window as that seat was hers. Now the next one is, he bought a pen and wrote with him. We cannot use him for a lifeless object, that is a pen. So what will be the correct pronoun for pen? Let's read. He bought a pen and wrote with it. We always use it for lifeless objects. My sister likes to eat with I as she loves I. I would be a wrong pronoun. And what is the right one? Let's see. My sister likes to eat with me as she loves me. Learning with a ladybird. We use where to talk about places. Whenever we talk about some places, we always use the word where. We use what when we talk about the things. We use how to talk about the way in which we do something. Examples: I don't know where to go. The first one. In this sentence, we are talking about a place. This is where we buy flowers. Again, talking about the place. We don't know what to eat. Talking about anything. He doesn't know what is in the box. Again, when we talk about anything or any object. I don't know how to write this. This is how you make a cake. When we talk about in the way which we do something. Now let's write some sentences using where, what and how. The first one is, I know where I left my umbrella. It is already done for you. The second one is, he doesn't know how to play piano. Third one is, Sarah knows what is the answer. Fourth one, Philip has forgotten how to speak English. And the last one, that is fifth one, Jack knows where we live. Now the last exercise of this chapter. Read the sentences and put a tick mark in the correct boxes. Let's do it. Stephen knows how to cook eggs. That is already done for you. Second one is, do they know where the bus stop is? When we ask any question about any place, we use the word where. Felix forgot where he left his shoe. Again, talking about a place. Fourth one, I know what we can do tomorrow. Fifth one, do you know how to speak English? And the last one is, he knows where the park is. Now that's all in this chapter. Thank you.